Hi, in this video we are going to see one very most important the University Grants Commission's official public notice, which was released on yesterday itself, that is 30th July 2021. So this notice is regarding the University Grants Commission as well as the Ministry of Education is going to conduct the national webinar on a holistic as well as a multidisciplinary education. National Education Policy 2020, so 1 year completed. And here regarding the few points this national webinar is going to conduct. So these points are very most important to the candidates, okay, that we should know about all these points. And we are going to be cleared with the help of this national webinar. So regarding that one, here one notice was published, okay. So please share this notice or else please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay. So while coming to the body of this notice is that, as you are aware that we are celebrating the completion of 1 year of transformative reforms under National Education Policy 2020. On this occasion, week-long theme-based webinars are being held. Honorable Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated the event on 29th July 2021 and launched several initiatives on his historic occasion. I am glad to share with you that the Ministry of Education and the University of Grants Commission are organizing a national webinar on holistic and the multidisciplinary education on 2nd August 2021, that is on Monday from 12:30 to 2:30, that means 2 hours, okay. And it is a matter of great pride that Honorable Minister of State for Education of India, Dr. Subhash Sarkarji, has very kindly consented to grace the occasion and deliver the inaugural address. And the webinar will have the sessions dedicated to holistic education and the multidisciplinary education and multiple entry and exit through academic credit of academic bank of credits, ABC. That means actually in the National Education Policy 2020 we are having the few points regarding the multiple entry and exit. That means if you do for 1 year of the course, then you are going to get one certificate, 2 years another certificate, and 3 years another certificate you are going to get, and based upon the bank of credits, right? So whatever the credits you earned for your successful completion of your exam, so based upon the number of credits you earned, the particular degree is going to be awarded to you. So regarding that one also, in this national webinar, these points are going to be discussed, which will be very much helpful. As a faculty, it is very much helpful to you. As a student, it must be very much helpful to understand, right? And I am pleased to convey that the number of dignitaries that include the members committee for draft NEP as well as eminent academicians will deliver the talks during the different sessions, and you are cordially invited to join the webinar and deliver the benefit from the academic deliberations, okay. And coming to the program can be joined live via the UGC YouTube channel, okay. It is a YouTube channel and the UGC Twitter handle, okay. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you please try to find out, guys. And coming to the YouTube channel, UGC YouTube channel, you just click on that link and then you will be directed to the YouTube channel, official YouTube channel of the University Grants Commission. I don't know how many of you know that UGC is having an official YouTube channel, okay. So just go to the videos here and you may check down whatever the different videos are uploading by the University Grants Commissions, okay, in the different time durations or the different months. So in this YouTube channel, or else if you want to get the notified, please subscribe the channel, UGC YouTube channel, subscribe this one and then tap the bell icon, and then you are going to get the notifications regarding this one, okay. Anyhow, you please remember that the date of this one, 2nd August 2021 from afternoon 12:30 to 2 o'clock, okay. So if you can't able to join in live, then also no problem. So anyhow, the live streaming will be recorded in the UGC YouTube channel. So after the completion of this one also, you may go through the recorded one in the YouTube channel of the University Grants Commissions, okay, guys. So please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, The electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.